It's no secret a 70 Chevelle is maybe the most desirable muscle car there is. This one's extra desirable. It is a one owner car from 1970 to 2008 living in California. We have the California registrations to prove it. We have Patrick Glenn Nichols certification. He verifies that is the original motor. It's a factory born SS396 car, factory born 4-speed, although it's upgraded with a 5-speed now, and it has its original posi rear end. This is an air conditioned car. Just a lot of really good stuff going for it. You're going to really like it. I know I do. You can go to volocars.com. You'll see 200 classic cars all for sale, each one having a price tag and a monthly payment, including this one right here. They're filled up with 80 pictures, descriptions, financing information. It's all at volocars.com. You can scan the link, the QR code that's on the screen at any time. It'll bring you directly to this car, or there's a link in the description. But for right now, join me. Let's go for a spin. Yeah, this is a special car, folks. The quality is very high too. This is a really nice car. This would be a keeper. So the body's fantastic. It has an actual Cowl induction hood. The lines are very nice, straight, square. The body itself is laser beam straight. This car lived out west until recently. The one owner in Los Angeles, then it went to Arizona. This fender is pristine all the way down here. The rocker's clean as can be. Door opens easily. The jamb is nice. Bottom edge of the door is real clean. Shuts like a new car. Going up the roof here, no issues at all. That's always a problem area. The roof is straight, quarter panels straight all the way down low. All this is clean, square, straight, no ripples, no issues. Very, very nice body. All super nice. You see the reflection of my hand even right behind the tire. The molding fits the body very nicely. This door fits just as good as the other door. A couple little chips touched up right there. Opens easily. Nice clean jamb like the other side. Shuts real nice and solid. Bottom of the fender is clean. The body's outstanding on this car. It was originally a gold car. They repainted it the Cranberry Red. You can't find gold anywhere on it. And it is polished smooth and glossy. The SS stripes are smooth to the touch. They're the proper dimension. And again, actual Cowl induction hood with the flapper. Here's a little touch up in the black paint right here. It has the hood pins up front, the grille, the bumper, the headlight bezels all look real nice. It has reproduction T3 headlights, the lenses, everything up there looks really sharp. I believe it's the original glass in the car. It's in really nice shape. Little speckles on the surface, but the stainless moldings have been replaced. They are straight, they are shiny. The mirrors look real sharp, door handles look real sharp. The rubber seals and weather strips are replaced. Rain gutters replaced, rear window trims replaced. The rear window was replaced. That's crystal clear. Now coming around the back, it's just like the front. The lenses, the bumper, everything's looking sharp. Has the SS pad on there. The wheels, they are 15-inch SS wheels. They're reproduction. You'll see they're extra wide in the back as it comes around. BFGoodrich tires, nice meaty tire, a little taller in back. I think the tire wheel size fits this car perfectly. Let's open the hood. I got a lot more good stuff to show you. You're going to be surprised with what you see. All right, let's see what we got in here. Trunk pops right open easily. Painted nicely. It's got nice fresh stickers. Jamb is painted nicely. Weather strip is replaced. Inside is all clean metal with a very nicely applied spatter finish. And I like this carpeted mat. They put down this insulation that helps keep things dry. The rubber mats hold the moisture. There's nice bound edges on the mat. So very nice finished off. I like that. Subscribe to our YouTube channel. Click the bell icon. You'll be notified when new videos are posted. Yeah, I was saying earlier how nice those jambs are. Don't they look good? And weather strips fit nice. It's a complete Reproduction interior, including those door panels and armrests. Looks like even the window cranks and handles may be replaced, or may have been replaced. So this is all fresh. The whole instrument panel, the knobs, the vents, all look new. Full set of factory gauges. The clock is working. It's a retro stereo, fits right in the factory location. The heater control panel and the vents are all new. Has the matching lighter. All this is nice and clean. Now I told you you're in for a surprise under the hood. This will tip you off to it. Here's the sniper screen for the fuel injection. Kick panel's nice. Carpets are very nice, fresh. Full set of seat belts. You got the center console, has been updated with a 5-speed shift pattern. This was a factory 4-speed car. That's all real nice. Immediately when you sit in here, you'll tell the seats are rebuilt. Nice firm cushions and no wrinkles in the seats. New headrests, new chrome trim, new seat backs. So the seats have been completely redone. Might even be new seats, to be honest with you, because all this stuff looks fresh. And same thing back here, nicely upholstered. The side panels have been replaced. The window cranks look fresh. In the rear shelf, you got a couple 6x9 speakers. Trim around the inside of the window is nice. The headliner and sail panels are nice and straight. Working dome light. Shoulder belts are there. The visors are excellent. The mirror looks new. That's a deluxe wheel, and it's on a tilt column. So nice interior, gauges, stick shift, console, tilt, air. This one's got it all. This checks all the boxes and then some. So, there's no big surprise here, is there? Well, there is. That is the original number match engine certified with that certificate I had shown you. There's a picture of that on our website. It's been completely built and it's making over 450 horsepower now. This has Edelbrock aluminum heads, rectangle port with an Edelbrock intake. It's all painted orange, so it looks stock. Inside, it has some forged TRW pistons, comp roller cam kit, but it still has stock valve covers. It does have coated headers. A complete Cowl induction air cleaner on top, and mates up to the hood, and that air is forced in through that flapper door. It's got an HEI electronic ignition hiding behind there. Factory air conditioning, look how it's all restored. The fiberglass box is all nice and clean. This is all fresh looking. Heater control valve, everything's looking real good here. Delco battery topper. And again, all the metal surfaces, clean California metal, just smooth, painted, all real nice. The horns are here, the right shroud, the clutch fan, the brackets, components are all real nice. Reproduction hoses and clamps, has the ribbed heater hoses, air conditioning compressor, power steering. The squirters are hooked up, all the hoses and wires are run neatly. Power brakes with a cadmium plated booster, new wiper motor, has the screens and the cowl, gray hinges, has hood insulation. So really nice motor compartment. And this is special. That's the original motor, but it's got the upgrades that people like. We have the dyno sheets, about 450 horsepower, about 450 pounds of torque. But it's still original, looks original. Anyway, Michael's going to take you for a ride and show you how awesome this car is. We'll see you in a few minutes. So it's real nice underneath too. I genuinely believe that's all the original metal, and it looks perfectly solid. The inner rockers, the braces, the floors do not look patched. They look like nice, clean, original California metal. It has its light factory undercoat. The frame and all the chassis components have been prepped. They're a semi-gloss black, looks really nice and detailed. It's the F41 suspension. That includes front and rear sway bars, box control arms in back. All the suspension and steering looks like it's been rebuilt. The fuel system looks like it's replaced, including the tank. The brakes have all been redone. Has disc in front, drum in back. The lines replaced. The e-brakes all hooked up. Has a great sounding dual exhaust system. It is fatter pipe with a crossover pipe. I think they're Dynamax mufflers, and they still got the SS tips on the back, even though the pipe's fatter. You look up at the engine, it's still spotless Chevy orange. Looks like a polished aluminum high torque starter. And then the transmission is a new 5-speed. It's called a Legend, I think LGT 700 transmission with a center force dual friction clutch. And in back, it has its original rear end, 12 bolt with a chrome cover, and it's a 411 posi. So this thing's going to be really snappy off the line, but you put it in that 5th gear and you can actually cruise down the highway. Again, this just checks all the boxes. Manual shift, air conditioning, restored beautifully, California car, documented history, documented authentic SS396, original motor, original rear end, nicely optioned. It has everything going for it. Go to volocars.com. You're not going to want to miss this one. Sales can help answer your questions, like how to get this delivered to your door, and anything else that comes to mind. Thanks for watching.